Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So long story short, I neglected my hair because, adulting once again. And I was like, you know what? Maybe I just want to do this big chop or whatever, but I did not big chop my hair. My scalp was itching so bad and my hair was so flaky. And I know that all of this didn't come from not doing my hair for 2 weeks. I feel like my hair had a bad reaction to, my scalp had a bad reaction to these new products I tried. I don't know what ingredient was in it that caused this reaction, but my hair wasn't having it. So I decided to do the ACV rinse, and I made sure my apple cider vinegar had the mother at the bottom of it, as you can see. So make sure you shake it up real good because that's where all the good stuff is. And I just put it in an applicator bottle that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I used a bottle of water. So I did, I'm clumsy, but I did half water and then half of the ACV. Make sure you are diluting this because the apple cider vinegar will probably be too strong for your scalp if you don't add the water. So just to be on the safe side, dilute it. So this is my mixture of the ACV and the water. It smells really bad. Some people use essential oils and put it in there to help with the smell, but I didn't have time for that, so I just decided to deal with the smell. And I forgot to get my clips because I am going to section my hair off first into 4 sections to make the process easier. But then I said, wait a minute, let me put some water in my head because my hair is so dry from not doing my hair for 2 weeks. So I'm just going to moisturize my hair a little bit with some water so I can work with it a little better. And I'm going to start off with this front section, just applying the apple cider vinegar like directly on my scalp. And so let me just talk about this. Maybe put it in a spray bottle because this applicator bottle made it real messy. And I think at one point in this video, I got this mess in my ear. Like, I don't know if it was just me or the bottle, but I cannot talk today. I'm just gonna suggest to use a spray bottle instead. But anyways, when I put this stuff on my scalp, it felt so good. Like, it was refreshing immediately. And it was like this tingling sensation. So I knew that stuff was working. I knew it was working. And I felt relieved. So this is how my hair looked after applying all of it to my hair. I did my scalp first, and then, I worked it down to my ends. Okay, so after I finish applying it to my hair, I put my hair in a low bun, and then I put a plastic cap on my head, and I let it sit for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes was up, I rinsed it out, and this is how my hair looks after rinsing it out. It was so shiny, and it felt soft, and my scalp was no longer itching. Like, that's what a scalp is supposed to look like. I did have a little bit more flakes in my hair, but after I shampooed and conditioned, all the flakes were gone, and yes, I am so happy now. So that is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.